Welcome back to Fala's Sweet World. So today I'm with an amazing, tasty, yummy and juicy Gulab Jamun. It is one of the most famous sweets of India. So it's most of everyone's favorite. So we can see how we can make this. So let's get to the cooking. So to make this yummy Gulab Jamun, take 2 cups of milk powder in a bowl. Now add 2 tablespoons of semolina into this. Then add 2 tablespoons of plain flour to this. Add 1 teaspoon of baking powder and mix it well. So to make a perfect gulab jamun, make sure that you don't ever add plain flour more than milk powder, because milk powder actually make the texture of gulab jamun. Now add 2 tablespoons of melted ghee. Again mix it well. So now I'm mixing it with my hands so they get evenly mixed. Now add half cup of milk into this mixture gradually. Make sure that it is chilled. Then knead the dough well. Now let the dough rest for 25 minutes. Now spread oil on your hands and make small balls of the dough. So my balls are ready here. Now fry these balls in a hot oil. Don't forget to put the balls only when the oil is hot. So my balls here are magically turning by itself. It's so funny to see that. Now let the balls fry till it gets a golden brown color. So finally my balls are here golden brown, so I'm taking this out of the hot oil. to make the sugar syrup, add 1 cup of sugar in a heat pan and add 1 cup of water. It is 1:1 ratio to make sugar syrup. So now I'm adding 2 cardamom into this. You can add any flavor of your like. So now I'm adding 1 teaspoon of rose water. As I told before, you can make sugar syrup in any of your flavor. Now add the balls into this one by one. Now let the balls to soak up in the sugar syrup. So now my gulab jamun is ready here and I'm serving it in a bowl. So yummy, tasty and juicy gulab jamun is ready here. I hope you like this video. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. If you didn't like this video, also don't forget to dislike. Don't forget to try this one and let me know in the comments how delicious was it. And also don't forget to comment my errors. What else should I improve? So I'll be back with another amazing and yummy, tasty, delicious. It goes on like that. So I'll be back with another video. Bye.